In this video, we will learn how to change page size in Microsoft Word. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. Documents come in different shapes and sizes, like legal documents, postcards, tickets, flyers, and others that use a non-standard paper size. In Word, we can change the paper size to fit the document we are working on or change the default paper size for all new documents. This option comes in handy when printing out a particular document format and not the conventional default size. Here is what we are going to do to change the paper size of a document. First, you need to open the document and navigate to the Layout tab in the ribbon, where you will navigate to the Page Setup group and choose the Size option. A drop-down menu appears in which you will see a list of paper sizes. You need to select an option from this list to change the paper size of the entire document. In this video tutorial, we will choose the Legal option. Once we've clicked it, we can see that the document did change a bit. If the size you want doesn't appear in the list, select Size and click on More Paper Sizes at the bottom of the drop-down menu. The Paper tab of the Page Setup dialog box appears, where you can enter a custom paper size by clicking the up and down arrows or by simply typing each exact inch size into the text boxes next to width and height. Now, let's move on to how to change the paper size from a specific point onward. There might be times when you need to use two different paper sizes in the same Word document, and you can easily accomplish this in just a few steps. First, ensure your cursor is where you want the new paper size to start. If that happens to be in the middle of a page, it will simply move to a new page after you select the new size. Next, you will head back to the Layout tab, navigate to the Page Setup group, and click Size. This time, click More Paper Sizes at the bottom of the drop-down menu. Select the Paper tab in the Page Setup dialog box, and then choose the size you want under Paper Size. At the bottom of the dialog box, click the drop-down arrow next to Apply To, then select the option This Point Forward, and then click the OK button. The location where you had your cursor now appears on a new page with the new paper size. The last thing we are going to go through in this tutorial is how you can change the default paper size in Word. Word's default paper size is letter, 8.5 by 11 inches. If you use a different size more frequently than the default, you can change the default size of all new documents. This way, you won't have to change the paper size of each new document you create. To do so, you must go to the Layout tab in the ribbon. Click the Size option and select More Paper Sizes. In the Page Setup dialog box, navigate to the Paper tab and click the drop-down arrow next to Paper Size. You will then select the paper size you want to make the default for all future documents and click Set as Default at the bottom of the dialog box. A message will appear asking you to confirm the change, and here you will click Yes. Next time you open Word, the paper size will be the one you just selected. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.